Many people doesn't know what Google Trends is. In this video, I show you a free Google tool that helps you find what people are searching on Google right now. Open up Chrome and search Google Trends. Inside the first site, click on Trending Now option. Choose the country. And now as you can see, last 24 hours trending searches. You can change it this time to past 7 days anytime that you want. And now go back to home and search for a keyword. For example, I'm going to type NFS most wanted, select explore. This graph shows when interest goes up and down, and you can compare another game with it. Select the compare and type GTA 5 graph. You can easily compare. This helps you decide which topic will get more views. I use Google Trends to decide which game modes, fixes, or tutorials I upload. Before uploading any video, always check Google Trends to see if people are searching for it. This free tool can help you grow faster if you use it correctly. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.